I'm Ryan from iThemeland, bringing you unmatched WordPress and WooCommerce expertise. This tutorial is about how to change multi-WooCommerce coupon expiry date. By using the WooCommerce bulk coupons editing plugin, you're able to filter the coupons, edit their expiry date, and then pick an exact date from the calendar provided in the bulk edits form. You're even able to change multi-coupon expiry dates at the same time directly from the table. So to do this, you just need to follow 3 simple steps. Step 1, filter the coupons that you need to change the expiry date of. In our plugin, we provided 2 methods for filtering the coupons you need. These methods are filter form and quick search box. In this tutorial, we want to use the quick search form to filter the coupons that their titles start with CP. So choose coupon code from the type box and then select begin from the condition box, and now type CP in the quick search box and then go ahead and click on a filter icon. Step 2, add expiry date column to the table. Adding the columns you're going to bulk edit can help you to trace the changes that you're going to make to the coupons fields. It's also important to add the proper columns to the table to use bind edits and try to change the multi-coupon expiry dates directly from the coupon table. To add the expiry dates column, you need to first open column profiles form from the main page and then mark coupon expiry dates column and then click on apply to table. Now let's take a look at the coupon table and see how it changes. And as you can see, the coupons we searched in the quick search box are filtered, and the expiry date column has been added to the table as well. So now everything is set and you can move on to step 3 and change the multi-coupon expiry date. To change the multi-coupon expiry date, you can use one of the methods in our plugin, which are the bulk edit form and bind edit. To use the bulk edit form, after you filter your coupons, you need to open bulk edit form from the main page, then go to General tab and scroll down to find coupon expiry dates field and click on the box in front of this field and pick the dates you want to assign to the filtered coupons as their expiry dates. For example, we'll go for this date. You can choose whatever dates you want and then click on do bulk edit. And that's it. All of the coupon expiry dates have changed now. Alright, bind edit is another option that allows you to change multi-coupon expiry dates at the same time directly from the coupon table. By following these steps, you can easily use this feature in our plugin. First, mark the coupons you need to edit from the table. And once you mark your coupons, click on Bind Edits button. And you can choose one of the actions to change multi-coupon expiry dates at the same time. And then click on Clear Date icon on the left to remove all coupon expiry dates. Now click on the expiry dates field of one of the selected coupons and pick a date from the calendar. And now after choosing one of the actions, you need to wait a few seconds for the plugin to apply your changes to all of the coupons.